Hi guys, welcome to Heidi and Conan Gold Prospecting.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm Conan.
I'm Heidi.
Today we've got a mail call.
Who is our beautiful piece of mail from?
Well, today we have mail from Papa York.
Yay!
Thank you so much, man.
Yeah, thank you so much, Papa York. All right, should we tear into this? Should we
I think we should.
figure out how to get into it?
It's a trap.
I don't know.
She's not sure about opening the box.
Huzzah!
All right, let's pull it out for the camera.
I'm trying. Here we go. Woo.
Oh my gosh. What could it be? It's a beautiful blue bag that is reusable. Thank you so much.
All right. You guys are going to get a first look. I don't know.
Oh, I don't know what's in there.
Anything.
I can't see in there either.
Oh,
Whoa.
wow.
Super cool. Holy
That is
Toledo, look at that.
Beautiful.
Wow. Wow, it's me.
That's so cool.
Oh my gosh, gotta show the camera.
I'm sorry.
Look at that, guys. And I am sure that he carved this himself. Look at that.
There is a note for you to read for us. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, look at that. It's got our names on the back. That is an incredible piece of art. What does it say? I'm gonna read?
You're gonna read.
All right. I'm gonna want to study that. I really love wood carvings.
Wow, Papa York, that is just beautiful.
I'm gonna assume that you carved this. That's incredible. And then of course he included a wonderful note. Hi Heidi and Conan, I found this piece of wood a couple of years ago. It spoke to me, but I couldn't understand what it was saying. I started whittling on it and this face and spoon bowl started to show. Then it sat outside on a stump for a year and a half. Then one day I found your channel and it all came out of the mist. Wow. Please give this a try as a scoop when you're mini sluicing at home or wherever you find it useful, not for use with food. I love your personalities. You guys have made me feel welcome every time since day one. Thank you. Much love, Papa York.
Wow, Papa
Wow,
York,
Papa
thank
York.
you. Hey, you, out of the way. You're not part of this show today.
Hey, you, out of the way. You're not part of this show today.
We got one more thing. We're gonna give an update on the Heidi's Paradise Pickers Pail. There are 6 spots on the wheel.
That's right. We've got Heidi's Pickers Paradise Pail. It's up on the website at $500,000.
So get in. Admiral Akbar says get in.
But we're giving it away in a GAW. I made only 10 $50 donations available. 4 have been sold. There are 6 more available. You get in, we're gonna spin the wheel and someone's gonna win Heidi's Pickers Paradise Pail with over 6 grams of gold in it. We added that in the other live streams.
Yep. So go back, check out those other live streams and you can see all the cool stuff that's in it. Plus some things that'll be a surprise.
That's right, it does have surprises in it, but I will tell you it's got 2 mini pans in it.
That's right. So get out and get your spot on the wheel. But more importantly, thank you so much to Papa York. This is super cool.
Thank you so much. I doubt very much if we will use that as a scoop. We will probably keep that as a piece of art, I think. Don't
think it's
you?
gonna have to find a place on the hutch.
Yeah, I think that'll definitely need a place of honor. What do you think, Salem? Wow. Oh, Heidi's crying.
Beautiful.
That is beautiful. And to think of the story, too, of his hands, you know, working on it, finding it on the stump again. I know how art goes. That's an incredible journey.
Super cool.
Super cool. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Yeah, I can't see scooping dirt with that, huh?
No, that is beautiful.
That is beautiful. I
We need
really
to
like
find
the
a way to
beard.
hang him. Just like a little.
Yeah. He's still there?
I don't know. I can't see him if he is.
No, we're gonna walk to the beach. When we get back, we can drive up to the showers ourselves.
I'll change my shoes.
Oh, yeah, when I walk out towards the car, I'm just gonna put the sandals on.
Wow.